Alrighty, let's give this a whirl. Hey, Matt here with Mob Street, and this is my 2019 TW200, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take the seat off. So, let's do it. Now you may be thinking, well, that's pretty simple to do, and it is, you're right. However, for those who don't have an owner's manual and those who don't know what's going on, we're going to show them. You come over here and you look at the seat, and just going around the right side of the bike, the back of the bike, to the left side, there are no visible bolts for that seat to come off. So where they are located though, just come right down here under the bike, and there's one bolt right there. The other one is just right up there on the frame on the other side. So those are both a 10mm head. I'm going to be using a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension. Take that one off. Come up here and get your other one. There you go. Both of those are off. Once those bolts are off and done, take your seat, slide it backwards, pop it off. That gives you access to your battery, to the top of your rear shock, a few of your electrical connectors, and that's all you need. And then when you're putting it back on, you've got this little plastic tab right there. That needs to slide up under this metal tab right here. You're going to take your seat, get that little plastic tab, make sure it slides up underneath that metal piece, and you can tell by just coming up here and grabbing the tongue of the seat. And as long as that doesn't move, there you go, your seat's back into place. You can take your bolts, get them started, and then you can finish installing them with your socket and your ratchet. Just remember, they don't have to be super tight, just snug. There you go. Tighten those up, your seat's back on. That right there is all it takes to remove the seat on the TW200. And all you need again, just your 10mm socket, a little ratchet, and you're good to go. And again, it gives you access to the battery, a few of your electrical connectors, and the top of your rear shock. Fairly simple task to do, but that's the great thing about the TWs. There aren't that many complicated things on them. So I'm Matt. Again, this is Mob Street. Thanks for watching.